In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Face ID for your wallet on your iPhone, specifically how to set up Face ID for Apple Wallet. This process is very straightforward and can be completed in just a few simple steps. If you have never set this up before, don't worry, I'll guide you through each step and provide some helpful tips along the way. First, you need to open your iPhone and navigate to the Settings app. This is the icon that looks like grey gears and is usually on your home screen, but you can also search for it if it's not immediately visible. Once inside the settings, scroll down until you find the option labelled Face ID and Passcode. Tapping this will bring up a screen where you'll be prompted to enter your device's passcode. This step is crucial as it ensures that only you can make important changes to Face ID settings. Next, after successfully entering your passcode, you will arrive at the Face ID and Passcode settings page. Here, you'll want to locate the section for Wallet and Apple Pay. Ensure that the toggle next to Wallet and Apple Pay is switched to the on position. This allows your iPhone to utilize Face ID when making payments using Apple Wallet. If the toggle is not on, you'll miss out on the convenience of using Face ID for purchases, so make sure this is activated. Now, if you haven't set up Face ID yet, you'll need to do that next. It's pretty simple. Follow the on-screen instructions to scan your face. The iPhone has an intuitive method for capturing your face. It will ask you to move your head in a circular motion to map your facial features fully. It's essential to do this in a well-lit environment to ensure that your device captures all the necessary details for the best accuracy. Once you've completed the setup process for Face ID, you're all set. Now, whenever you're ready to make a payment using Apple Wallet, you can simply tap and scan with ease. Just a glance at your iPhone will authenticate the transaction, providing you with a quick, secure, and highly convenient way to pay. With Face ID, there's no need to fumble with passcodes or worry about someone else accessing your wallet, since it uses advanced technology to recognize your unique facial features. Thank you for following along with this walkthrough. By now you should be more than ready to start using Face ID with Apple Wallet confidently. It's a fantastic feature that enhances your purchasing experience by combining security with ease of use. Enjoy the convenience and happy tapping and scanning.